Good morning everyone. Today we'll see about the role and responsibility of clinical trial person. So role and responsibility of sponsor. So introduction. Role and responsibility of clinical trial person as per ICH GCP. So what is called sponsor? So sponsor is an individual, company, institute or a organization which take responsibility for initiation, management or financing of clinical trial. Basically they will the financial person or they will do the finance for clinical trial. So sponsor may be individual person or individual company or any institute. So today we will see the role. So responsibility of for sponsor is selection of the investigator or institute. So investigator means the person who is conduct the clinical trial, or the institute means where they will conduct the clinical trial. So another responsibility is implementation and maintenance. QA means quality assurance, or QC system is quality control system with written SOP means standard operating procedure to ensure the trial conduct and data are generated. So when the trial is conducted, the data is generated and documentation should be recorded and reported in the compliance with the protocol, and that data should be compiled with the protocol as per GCP and applicable regulatory authority. So whatever the regulatory authority is there, as per regulatory authority you have to compile the data or you have to make the protocol as standard operating procedure. So next is, before entering into agreement with investigator or institute to conduct a clinical trial, the sponsor should provide investigator or institute with protocol. So before that conducting clinical trial, the sponsor have to give the protocol to the investigator and to the institute, or up to date. Also they have to get the up-to-date investigator brochure. Investigator brochure basically the data about the trial or about the product, and should provide sufficient time for the investigator or institute to review the protocol and the info provided. So you have to give enough time to review the protocol by the institute or by the investigator. So fourth responsibility will be the securing agreement. So you have to make an agreement from an involved parties to ensure the direct access to the all trial related sites. So you have to make an agreement with the person of investigator or with the institute, and you have to make them assess all the clinical information data to be assessed by the sponsor from the clinical trial place or institute or from the investigator, and you have to make source data, documentation and report for the purpose of monitoring and audit by the sponsor. So you have to ensure that all the data should be captured while they are provide the clinical trial or where they are running the clinical trial, and the inspection by the domestic and foreign regulatory authority. So you have to make agreement with that person or with the investigator or with the institute that they should also capture all the data, and they have to obey to provide the data once there is any regulatory authority person asks about their data to produce about the clinical trial details. So sponsor another responsibility is status report of the clinical trial to the licensing authority at the prescribed periodically. So status of the trial should be sent to the licensing authority at periodically, like 3 months or 4 months. If the study is discontinued prematurely, or summary report should be submitted within the 3 months. So if the study is certain reason the study need to be closed, that summary should be submitted to the regulatory authority within 3 months. So the summary of the report should be provide brief description of the study, the number of the patient exposed to the drug, dose and duration of the exposure, details of adverse drug reaction or if any on the reason for discontinuing of the study or the pursuit of a new drug application. So you have to keep all the summary before you close down the study, or you have to submit to the regulatory authority within the 3 months. So 7 number role and responsibility including any unexpected serious adverse drug reaction occurring during the clinical trial should be communicated promptly within 14 days by the sponsor to the licensing authority. So licensing authority means like FDA. When there is any serious adverse effect or anything happen unlikely in a clinical trial, the report should be submitted to the licensing authority within a calendar of 14 days and to other investigator participate in the study. So also you have to inform other investigator of the participant of the study and as well as participant of the study about their SE means serious adverse event. So SE basically any adverse event which can be lead to the hospitalization of patient or any death. So it will be called SE.